I do believe if I remember correctly, the table weighs around 70 pounds and the saw was around 72 pounds. So we'll do some moving this around, see how it feels being 140 pounds plus. Okay, the saw is mounted up and bolted down. I don't have a perfectly level floor, but it is a tiny bit wobbly. We'll try folding this thing up, making sure our supports are sucked in all the way. And setting up our handles here. Pull out. And down. I just let that fall. I didn't try to catch it. I was just seeing how that hydraulic was. Now for lifting it up, squeeze. Then I'm just squeezing the handle on the table itself, and then I'm grabbing the handle of the saw and pulling up. The table, saw. Now it's locked.